Hi, Rod Sanchez, Sydney Acupuncture and Herbal Medicine. I have a lot of clients that come and see me about headaches. And what I want to discuss today is that there's many different types of headaches and how they relate to the person. So first of all, we look for location of the headache. So we'll question you to see whereabouts the headaches might be. Are the headaches on the front? Are the headaches on the side? Are the headaches from the back or top? Are the headaches the whole head sometimes? Or is there like a ring or aura around the front of the head to the back of the head, squeezing techniques or squeezing characteristics? These are very important for a Chinese medicine practitioner because we can differentiate the location of the headache in regards to how we're going to treat it. The other one is, what makes it better, what makes it worse. Sometimes sleep will make it better. Other people, no matter how much sleep they have, they're not going to get better. The other might be, and I question this, what sort of pain medication is making it better? We're not totally anti-pain medication as such, but did the aspirin make it better? Did the anti-inflammatory make it better? Did the Panadol make it better before coming to see us? Because all three will give us different indication of what's occurring within the body. The other one would be, is the pain worse in the morning? Is the pain worse at night time? That'll indicate aspects. Is the pain sharp? Is the pain heavy? Is the pain dull? Is it constant? Is it intermittent? Really technical questions. And sometimes I get some clients saying, I've just got a headache, fix it. But it's really important to get better understanding of what's happening within the body. That way we can treat it better. On occasions, you may miss it if you don't ask the questions. So when coming in to see a Chinese medicine practitioner, it's important to sort of answer the questions as much as possible. That way they can assist you. Okay. Till then, Rod Sanchez here on Macquarie Street, and we'll see you soon.